This video is sponsored by Olio Shop. You want it? We got it.
This video is especially for those individuals who are employed in another country and desires to enter the UK for a short period of time and involve in business-related activities. Before we continue, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get the latest updates directly on your screens. So let's discuss about Business Visit Visa, an outline. For the reasons of immigration regulation, the UK immigration rules usually differentiate between two groups of foreign visitors: visa nationals and non-visa nationals. Visa nationals should apply for a visa in advance of their travel to the UK via Overseas UK Visa Application Centre or assigned UK Visa Allotting Post. Non-visa nationals do not require to apply for a visa in advance of their travel to the UK and may pursue entrance at the UK border for the purpose of a visit. In both circumstances, an applicant will be required to gratify the entry clearance officer that they are authentic visitors and aim to leave the UK at the end of their visit. They should also show they have adequate monetary means to uphold and lodge themselves whilst in the UK and that they do not aim to commence any forbidden actions during their stay. Moreover, all applicants should meet the appropriateness requirements.
Looks like Spidey has done his shopping from Olio Shop. Be like Spidey, and shop now from olioshop.com. olioshop.com. You want it? We got it.
This way that an application will be declined if the applicant is subject to a deportation order, for example, or has given false information in relation to an application, or has formally been in violation of UK immigration law, or if his ban from the UK is believed to be helpful to the public good. If an application for a UK standard visitor visa is fruitful, the visa national applicant will usually be decided authorization for an entry in the UK for up to 24 months on a short-term visitor visa. If the applicant desires to visit the UK over a lengthier period of time, he or she can apply for a standard long-term visitor visa, which can be authorized for 2, 5 or 10 years. Nevertheless, the applicant will be permissible to stay only for a highest period of 6 months on each visit. For a typical long-term visitor visa application, an applicant should be able to validate, with documentary proof, why it is essential for them to visit the UK on a steady basis over an extended period of time. Elite limits apply to visa nationals visiting the UK for business reasons. Visitors who wish to assume business activities in the UK are allowed to appear in meetings, consultations, conferences and discussions. Provide a one-off or short successions of talks and speeches, as long as these are not pre-arranged as mercantile events and will not make a benefits for the organizer. Settle and sign contracts and agreements. Appear in trade expositions, for persuasive work only, on condition that the visitor is not openly selling. Carry out site visits and checks. Collect evidence for their service abroad. Be informed on the necessities of a UK-based customer, as long as any work for the customer is carried out outside of the UK. On the other hand, business visitors are not allowed to work in the UK or get any reimbursement, unless the migrant is involved in allowed paid engagement. Examples of allowed paid engagements can also be located in the immigration rules, and all of these activities must gratify a number of obligations. The activities in inquiry must be decided before the applicant arrives to the UK, affirmed as part of the request for a visitor visa or leave to enter, demonstrated by an official invitation, as needed by the immigration rules, and linked to the applicant's area of skills and employment overseas. The administering times for such an application will differ depending on the country from which the application was presented, although the usual handling time is about 15 to 20 working days.
To find out more about this, log on to our website.
We hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to hit the like button and share this video on your Facebook, WhatsApp and Twitter. Thanks for watching.